All right, let's talk about the nuts and bolts of the project.
Our vision at Compass is to operate more like a manufacturing company than a traditional construction company.
We've been working with Siemens on our medium voltage front and the equipment that connects all of that up. And what we try to do is create a manufactured type of solution that puts it all together into a single skid. What that allowed us to do was increase our efficiency on site, but also increase our safety as well as we reduce the labor that was on site. Siemens gave us the solution under one umbrella.
It's been a breath of fresh air to be able to pick up the phone and call the right people and say, here are the challenges that we're facing, help us solve these challenges, and for us to collaborate together to do that. And as we began to talk about the various products that Siemens had and what they offered, and then it was a natural next step of, okay, well, how do we put peanut butter and chocolate together and make a newer version of what we already were doing?
The biggest challenge which Compass was having was to have a product which is standard, and that standard product could be deployed in a fast pace in the industry and their data centers so that they can have fast builds.
One of the big benefits for us is the standardization, and having a standard solution that is really, really valuable to us.
I believe this development is really lethal for the power industry, which is basically build your solution, fully test your solution in your factory, deploy it at site, plug it in, and then let it play itself.